Hi kids! How are you today? Let's learn today about writing numbers. First, let's read the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's learn how to write these numbers. 0. Start at the top and draw a big oval shape. In this way you can easily write 0. What is the spelling of 0? Z E R O. Let's see some examples of 0. In this picture there are 2 pizza boxes. One is empty. It means there is 0 pizza in it. Let's see one more example. There are 2 egg trays. One is empty. Means 0 eggs in the tray. 1. For writing 1, draw a straight line down. At the bottom draw one straight line. Then at the top draw a slant line to the left. In this way you can write 1. What is the spelling of 1? O N E. Let's see some examples. This picture is of a living room. There is one TV hanging on the wall. This is the picture of a garden. There is only one tree. 2. How to write 2. Start at the top. Make a small curve to the right. Then curve left. And finish with a straight line at the bottom. In this way you can write 2 easily. But what is its spelling? T W O. Let's learn some of its examples. 1, 2. There are 2 glasses. How many books are there on the table? 1, 2. 3. How to write 3. Start at the top and make a small curve to the right. Without lifting your pencil, make another curve below it. It looks like 2 small curves. In this way you can write 3. Let's learn the spelling of 3. T H R E E. Let's see some examples. Count these birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds on the tree. Let's count the donuts. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 donuts in the plate. 4. How to write 4. Draw a straight line down. From the top, draw a slant line to the left. Then draw a straight line across in the middle. In this way you can easily write 4. Let's spell 4. F O U R. Let's see some examples. Count the fishes. 1 2 3 4. 4 fishes in the aquarium. Let's count the cars. 1 2 3 4. Total 4 racing cars. 5. How to write 5. Start with a short straight line across at the top. Draw a straight line down. Then make a curve at the bottom. In this way you can write 5. What is the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. Let's learn few examples. Count the fingers in your hand. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fingers are there in your hand. Now we will count the number of flowers. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 flowers in this picture. 6. How to write 6. Start at the top and make a small curve down. Then make another curve to form a loop at the bottom. This is the easiest way to write 6. But what is the spelling of 6? S I X 6. Let's see some examples. Count with me the number of pencil colors. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 color pencils. Now let's count the number of chairs. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 chairs. 7. Do you know how to write 7? Draw a straight line across at the top. Then draw a slanting line down to the right. 7 is so easy to write. What is its spelling? S E V E N 7. Let's see some examples. Wow, these ice creams look so yummy. But how many ice creams are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7 ice creams. Let's count yummy donuts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 yummy donuts. 8. How to write 8. Make a small circle on top. then another small circle below it. It looks like two circles joined together. What is its spelling? E I G H T 8. It's time for examples. Count with me the number of crayons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 crayons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 books are there in this picture. 9. How to write it? Start by making a small circle at the top. Then draw a straight line up from the left side of the circle. In this way you can easily write 9. What is the spelling of 9? N I N E 9. Let's see some examples. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 marbles. Let's count these yummy chocolates. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 chocolates are there in the box. Kids, let's repeat the spellings of these numbers once again. F I V E 5 S I X 6 S E V E N 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9. So, kids, today you learned all one-digit numbers. Thank you for watching. See you again.